Welcome. In this guide you will learn how to check attendance along with the device name, that is, which machine an employee punched in on, and which one they punched out from. We will use the daily in and out report on the analytics dashboard. We start on the Minop admin dashboard. On the left sidebar, hover over the dashboard group. Its menu slides open. From that menu, click on Analytics Dashboard. The Analytics Dashboard holds a set of ready attendance reports, daily in and out, time log, attendance trends and overtime. Below them are monthly workforce summary, irregular attendance, face and web punch, and departmental workforce summary. The device name lives in the daily in and out report, so click on that card. The daily in and out report screen opens. It is empty to begin with, because no filter has been applied yet. Click on Applied Filter to choose what the report should cover. The filter opens. At the top are company, branch and department. Keep branch and department on all select, so no one is left out. Below that is the employee list, with the code, the employee name and the punch ID, and a checkbox column on the right. Tick the checkbox at the top of that column to select every employee at once. Every employee is now selected. Now click Save. Minop asks whether you want to save this filter. Choose Yes, save it. The filter is applied. Next comes the period. Click on the date box beside it. These are the choices: today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 15 days, last 30 days, current month, previous month, and a custom range for your own dates. We want this month, so pick current month. With the filter and the period set, click the View Report button. The report appears with one row for every employee for every day of the month. By default it shows the date, the employee code, the employee name and the branch. Then the in time, the out time, the total hours and the status of that day. But there is no device name here yet. Look at the very first column. Just before the word date there is a small columns icon. Click on that icon. The filter column window opens. This is where you choose which columns the report should show. Select All puts every available column into the report, and select None clears them all, so you can pick only what you need. Here are all the extra columns you can add: company name, branch, department, designation, shift timings, late in, early out, punch ID and more. The last two are the ones we want: in device and out device. Tick in device first. This is the machine on which the employee punched in. Then tick out device, which is the machine the employee punched out from. Now click Apply. The window closes and the two new columns are added straight into the report: in device and out device. Click on the in device heading to sort on it, and the days that were punched on a device come to the top. Here you can read the device name for that punch, right next to the in time and the out time. So for this row you now know not only when the employee came and left, but also from which device each punch was taken. These columns can also be moved. Hold the mouse down on a column heading and drag it left or right. When you release the mouse, the column drops into its new place. In device now sits right beside in time. Arrange the columns in whatever order suits you, and read the report the way you like. That is how you check attendance together with the device name in Minop. Add the in device and out device columns from filter column, and drag the columns into the order you want. Thank you for watching.